Good morning, America. Just kidding. Oh, it's another day in the morning. And we are eating breakfast. Ooh, I want some coffee too. Look at this, guys. Chomping their chicken down.
Oh, where are eyes?
You got eyes? Awesome. Marcus, what are we going to do today? Nothing. What? We got some cleaning up to do from our projects. Look at all this trash here. That carpet's got to be, I don't know, got rid of. It doesn't go here. It's so dark. But yeah, we got a few projects around the house to do today. Should be fun. Well, I'll just move these boxes to the garage. What? I need you to grab the trash and bring it here from yesterday. The IKEA boxes and trash. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning up. Take it to the garage, please. Coming, grab some more. Ooh, manuals. I've been looking for my sandal shoes. I wonder if they're in the back of this car. Let's see. What do you know? There they are. Yeah. Maybe we're gonna clean this car with the kids, because it's getting really dirty. You can't really see on the camera, but it's, let's see. Yeah, you can see. It's dirty. It's just dirty. It's nasty. Yeah, Mila's gonna take this carpet back because it's not that nice. I thought it was gonna be good for the kids' room, but color orange and everything, but it just didn't work with the theme. So I'm probably gonna get another carpet. We're gonna wash the car?
Yeah, first I'll open it.
Just let it be there.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, no, I'm not opening the water.
Okay, go open it.
How works?
It's too hard. Let me do it. It's old. Hold it, it's rusty. There it goes. Okay, spray the car down with water. Really good, everything. On the roof too, buddy. I'm gonna go get the soap and stuff. Good job. Where are you going?
Mama.
To give some
Mama.
stuff
Mama.
back.
Mama.
And the carpet?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. We're gonna be washing the car. Marcus is gonna take his shirt off because he wants to be
Cool.
extra cool for the vlog, right, Mark?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Papa, park the park. Papa, park that park.
Okay, be safe. We send the women out to do all the hard work, like to return things like that carpet. Bye. Woo. And she's gone. Now we can cause trouble. Just kidding. Alright, guys. I don't know how you cleaned your rides at home, but we just use regular soap. Seems to work really good, too. Put some in the bucket. And fill her up with water. Watch out, Marky. Can't really see. Oh man, there's already a punch dryer. Whoa. Okay, Marcus is rinsing it off. Rinse it over here in the front a little bit. Yeah, walk over here. Hey boy, what you doing? Making a mess over here, dude. Rinse it on the top, Mark, on the roof. Yeah, there you go. Good job, buddy. You're doing good. Alright, we washed the car, just gotta wipe it down. I'm gonna do something bad. Where's the camera? There. I'm going to spray those guys. Hey Max, why'd you take your shorts off? Woohoo! I just hope Mama don't see this video. Well, it's pretty clean. And these guys are already in their underwear playing with water. Where'd the other one go? What are you doing? Where's your shorts? Yeah, you do need shorts.
We play water. What?
You guys played already way too much. The whole street's already wet.
I think we water.
Funny.
I'm pulling up to this beautiful store. About to go in and return or exchange the bulbs that burned out apparently after we bought them. So I came to Lowe's from the Tuesday morning, and I couldn't find anything in there. I returned the rug. The ladies were really not happy. Okay, so I think I'm already here. Okay, this is the one I'm looking at. Focus. Alright, no focus. Okay, I'm going back because I can't find them. Are they here? Okay, I can't find the bulbs. Officially, I'm lost because I can't find the bulbs. Well, you would think they'll be in the lighting section, right? Women and Lowe's or Home Depot don't match. Okay, so I'm lost. I'm gonna go ask that gentleman right there. Lost, I don't know what the bulbs are. I didn't have to ask anybody because as I was going to the guy, I spotted these beauties. Okay, so I went to Lowe's and I did not buy the chalk paint. Guess why? Because I didn't have money. The guy basically, when I wanted to exchange the bulbs, and what he did is just return $2 to me and the rest on my husband's card. So I did not get the chalk paint because I didn't have enough money in the bank. So poopies. So yeah, now I'm actually heading back home.
So what do you got to play, Mark? Resort?
Here, go. I film good. You don't watch me sit down?
Lunchtime.
Time.
Mark, Maxie, lunchtime?
Bob, this yours?
Yeah, that's my water. What are you going to do after you eat?
What about read a Bible next time?
Yeah. Okay. All right, it's activity times, right, Max?
Maxie, come here.
She's running away again. I'm going to cut this paper.
No, don't cut it. Don't cut it.
Whoa, look at that activity time. What are you doing?
How wipe this off?
You can't wipe it off. It's forever. What did I do? What?
The wheel, this thing.
I painted in black. Does it look good?
This one?
Yeah, with that plastic dip.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Has a ball?
Yeah. You like the way it looks?
Yeah, what is this one?
It's different.
Different?
Hopefully Mama's not gonna get mad that we painted the wheels black. We're gonna be more stealthy now. True?
Yeah, let me go ask her.
You gonna ask her? Okay. Did you go get Mama? You got her?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell her? Papa did something bad?
Wheels?
Well, we decided to drive out to the ocean. So that's where we're going. What's up, Mark? What is this?
What are you doing?
That dude fell asleep on the way. That dude is excited to go and dip in the water. Let's go, Mama. And this is why we live in Florida, guys. Is because we can go to the beach. So where are we going?
Oh, it's nice to be, but she's blowing.
You don't want to talk to me, do you?
We were here last time. It was
The beach. Can't see anything. Okay, let's go. It's so fun.
You need to take off the
Yes, I do. What up, Florida chiller? Hey, Marcus, you gonna go swimming? Maybe.
so dirty.
Yeah, it's a little bit dirty today. There's a little seaweed here. Hey, Max. He wants to go swimming. Oh, it's warm.
That's it?
So we're taking a little walk down the beach. Why is all the seaweed there? I don't know. There's way too much seaweed. There, look at that sunset, guys. That's $1 million right there. This is it. It's the end of the day. And look at this awesome set. Max over there. Mama's over here. Marcus is cooked. He's ready to go home. But man, is that an awesome view. I guess that'll end our vlog today with this. We'll see you guys tomorrow.